Magandang araw mga kagako sa Itachi. Lesson 3 na tayo ng A1 Book 2 and I hope everyone is ready. Medyo mahaba-haba na rin yung ating review para sa Book 2 kasi this is our Lesson 3. Okay? So sige, without further ado, let's have our first Monday. Okay, first Monday. Hanaga saite koen ga nani-nani narimashita. Hanaga saite is flower blooms. So the flowers are blooming. De koen ga nani-nani narimashita. Okay, parang ang ganda kasi ng koen kapag ka nag-bloom ang mga hana. Tama? Now, ang ating conjugation ng na-adjective ay pipili tayo dito sa tatlo. Because alam natin na ang kiri is na-adjective, ano ang proper conjugation if it will be attached to narimas or narimashta, which means to become or became kung naka-past tense na siya. Now, if you're going to choose sambang kireni, tama ka. Because we always put particle ni, tandaan, kapag ikaw ay may na-adjective, and then followed by narimashta. So lagi nating nilalagyan ng fixed particle na ni ang ating na-adjective. Tatweba, yume ni narimashta, kanta ni narimashta, eto, nigiyakan ni narimashta. So those are na-adjectives. So dapat meron siyang ni prior sa narimashta. So ano ang meaning ng ating sentence? So gumanda ang koen dahil nag-bloom na ang mga bulaklak. There you go. That's our first Monday. Second Monday will be picture illustration or illustration analysis. We have here the word kyowa at atakaides. So among the three, alin dyan ang nagdidepict? Picture na nagdidepict ng atatakay. There you go. Very good, Nibang des. Atatakay is warm. Unlike dito, which is cold, and this one, number 3 naman is hot. So, among the three, ang number 2 lang ang warm, sa feeling. So, ang mga Japanese, mahilig sila sa atatakay na weather. Ibig sabihin, ito yung season na kung saan gustong-gusto nila na crispy, parang crispy yung morning nila, atatakay, warm, hindi malamig, hindi mainit. Okay? So, tandaan, atatakay is i-adjective. Okay, so warm. Jatsugi. Hi. So we have here two weather. We have here Myanmar wa uki to kanki ga arimasu. Uki wa ame ga yoku nani-nani. Alam niyo ba na sa Myanmar and the Philippines, they have the same weather, no? Tropical ang weather. So dalawa lang ang weather, which is uki and kanki. When you say uki, it is rainy season, and kanki is rainy season. So kanki is ano nga ba tawag dito? Maaraw, no? So yun lang, dalawa lang, no, maaraw at maulan. Okay. Ang kanilang or tag-init or tag-ulan 'yon. So that's the proper word. So uki is tag-ulan, kanki is tag-araw. Okay. Now, ano kaya ang ilalagay natin dito? Uki wa ame ga yoku furimasu, furu, or furimasu. Okay, which one is the proper spelling for rain? Correct. Furimas, because furimas is furu ang kanyang ang kanyang dictionary form. Ang kanyang mass form ay furimas. Walang furumas, this is wrong. Furemas is somehow a potential conjugation pero hindi natin 'to ginagamit, no? So furimas, tandaan, is to rain. Okay, so uki wa ame ga yoku furimasu. So umuulan kapag uki, right? So rainy season kasi siya. Tsugi. Hi. This one is aki. Aki wa kudamono ga oishi desu. Nashi, nani-nani, budo, nani-nani. Okay. So aki kasi is autumn, no? Tama ba ako? Aki is ano nga ba? It's a type of a season. Nalilito ako minsan sa aki and ano. Yeah, tama. So aki is autumn, and sabi niya, masarap daw, no? Kudamono ga oishi desu kapag ka autumn. Hindi natin sure kasi hindi naman natin alam kung ano ang lasa nila kapag ka autumn or aki. And here we have nashi, which is pear, and budo is grapes. So if you're going to choose which one is for identification, we use the word toka. So, nashi toka, budo toka, to name a few. So, ginagamit natin siya as etc. Normally, toka is for conversational. No, it's more of conversational way of identifying things. So, you put toka after a noun. Okay? So, there you go. And next, we have conversation. Watashi wa aki ga suki desu. So, as you can see, pinag-uusapan natin dito yung season. I like autumn. And then si B, may tanong siya. And then sumagot si A, momiji ga kirei desu kara. Momiji ga kirei desu kara. Ano ang tanong kapag ang sagot or ang response ay merong kara sa dulo? Do desu ka? Dona desu ka? Or dos desu ka? Okay, correct. The answer is doshite desu ka. Tandaan, doshite means why. And it requires kara at your answer. So every time someone tells you or asks you the doshite interrogative, dapat pag sumagot ka, may kara sa dulo. Kasi siya. Because siya sa English. Okay, so bakit mo gusto yung bakit mo gusto yung aki? Momiji ga kirei desu kara. Kasi maganda ang momiji. Okay, there you go. I hope meron kayong natutunan or na-take away dito sa ating lesson 3 of Book 2 A1 level. And hopefully, magamit nyo ulit itong ating mga discussion sa inyong exam. Thank you, minasang! Bye-bye!